Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use WeTransfer to send files. So first of all, go ahead to the official website WeTransfer.com, and then basically what you're going to do, you're going to just select the folder. If you want to upload the folder up, more than 2 gigabytes, I recommend you to compress those files. And then basically what you're going to do, you're going to select the folder and then you're going to choose it from your desktop and then add it. And then they're going to ask you to register your name, your email basically, and all that, and then you're gonna receive an email to your Gmail that this file actually been uploaded. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and check your email. I'm gonna just go ahead show you, and then basically if you went to your email, what you're gonna be able to do, you're gonna be able to upload the file, and basically you're gonna get a specific link for that file, and then they're gonna direct you to the official website, and you're gonna be able to see, instead of the transfer button, you're gonna see a pink button that says download, and then you're gonna be able to download that file. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.